Now,
Good afternoon.
let's have a discussion on money is required to earn more money.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ekant Tyagi, and today I am taking an initiative to start a GD on the topic of money is required to earn more money. Everybody know that in India and the whole world, the economic growth are only developed by if we invest their money and they earn up more money. I give you such an example. Just like many of the farmers and the businessmen, they invest the money in investors, in shares, in land areas, in their property, and they get a compensation after 3 to 4 years, and they get it into 3 to 4 times more money. And we also say that if you have more money, then you also invest their money in a different times, such as you have to establish a factory and a mill, such type of kinds, and you have to develop our mill and factory and get up more money.
Yes, in this regarding, I want to add some point because we have to know in India the 40% of population is under the poverty line. So, first of all, we have to understand only way to earn more money is money. I feel not. It's not the things because there are a lot of guys coming from the from the rural areas. They got on money. You can take the example of Dhirubhai Ambani. At the initial phase they hard work, and so the fact and features are there to be able is successful. So first of all, you have to be realistic, especially if your goal is to be earn more money. So a person somehow got the lottery from anywhere else. So the thing is that the different person have different opinion. So it's depend upon him whether he want to invest somewhere by their intelligence rather than to spend the money for him so can sign. So it's depend upon the intelligence is there. So the example is that nowadays, the government wants more and more projects in India. So they have to purchase the land. So in this regard, they paid some money to the farmers for that. So they do not know how to spend the money and how to invest for the different scenario. So the thing is that you can take the example of Gujarat. In the present scenario, the Gujarat are using the luxury. They want to live in a luxury life rather than to spend there. So it's depend upon the mentality and depend upon the intelligence of the person what he want to do.
Yes, I agree with your point, but I want to say that, and let me state a point. I have to give a scenario what actually has been done in the world. If I give an example of Dhirubhai Ambani, in starting a Dhirubhai Ambani work on a petrol pump, then they have to got some money and they started our business, and he got a machine which is make a clothes, and after 9 years they run with our
With the hard work,
listen.
So
Yes, let me. With our friends, and they have no profit. But when we make a money, then what has been done? It creates our network in a different states. They start a petrol pump. They started a technological such as Reliance and the Jio, and they open their departmental store. What actually we do? They create our network and they invest our money in a different sector.
because of
Then what they
because of
earn.
the hard work, because of the positive nature, because of the realistic life, he want live in the realistic life. So that's why he do. So you can't say if you won the lottery from anyhow. So what the thing? The thing is that your way to invest the money.
Yes, I agree
I'm
with your
taking
point, but I want to
our
say
topic from the starting. Our topic is earning money when it comes to earn more money. There are 4 ways to earn money. First is activate and second is passive. In activate there is an employer and self-employment, and in passive way there is investment or business. In the passive way there is a direct earning of money. But there is a problem is that the people knows he or she has the money, but he or she doesn't know how to invest the money or in which session he or she will invest the money.
Yes, the first of all, I want to add some point. I want to add some point that at the initial phase, as a student, we don't know what is the process to invest here and there. So first of all, we have to collect the money to doing a such type of job. With the help of that, we can earn money.
Yes,
After that, you make a plan and you know what is the process, what the step by step you move forward to earn the money, rather than to do anything else.
Yes, I agree with your point, but my dear, you have to saying active and passive income.
Yes.
Yeah, active income is that you have to reach a unlimited money, but in passive income you got only a limit money.
You will think that
I won't give an
I am
example.
saying that
Such yes,
if
you have to
if you are an employer or employer, so you have a limited money, not an unlimited. If you invest the money, then you get unlimited money.
It
So
means-
passive is a unlimited type of money.
But for getting unlimited money, you have to invest their money, which you have to earn from their sources.
So anything can be happen. A different person have a different opinion toward the active and passive.
Yeah, I want
the
to
matter
give a-
is that
Yeah.
the money is required to earn more money. Is it true or false?
Yes,
What
I
do you
agree with you, put my idea, but I want to give a factor what actually done and give a ratio. In their world, only 95% money is in depend on only which have a business, and but the world 5% money will they get a job. It's a truth. I am not saying it's a economics of the world.
Yes,
He's saying
yes.
the world 95% money only with the who doing job only 5% people, and the 5% money is distributed in a 95%.
I agree with my friend Ekant Tyagi, but I want to add some points. You said that hard work is also important to earn money rather than you have money to invest. But hard work is not necessary. You take to step forward smartly. If you don't have knowledge about the area you want to invest that you are nearly failure in your further steps. So we have to take our investment smartly. In my opinion, money is required but not necessary to earn more money. So I would like to say that if we want to earn some money, we have some different kind of ideas, some new thinking to earn money.
Yes, yes. Now you can take the example of RDC cell. Here there is no requirement of money at the initial because because our college provided. Anyhow, I don't know what is the cost of that. But the thing is that you have an intelligence, you have an idea. So just implementation and the government or any sector will give you for that things. So you can invest there and you can earn money, and after the long process you will earn more money. So there is no requirement of money for your side.
Yeah, you are saying correct. Money will not require to earn money. In some cases, like in case of Dhirubhai Ambani, when he comes to Mumbai, he has a 5 paisa or 5 rupees in his pocket.
Yes.
So he'll invest it properly and in a effective way to get more money, and he'll become the more richest person. But in case of Mukesh Ambani or Anil Ambani, so in this case, both of these two sons of Dhirubhai Ambani will take the initiative or will take investments to foreign investors.
Because he learned from their father and this will add it. So I want to say
I want to some point adding some point. The more money is required, earn more money. That's true. But in this all cases, but it is not all cases. Suppose that you have a lots of money, but not so talent for manage money. That's you have a talent is required, very important for a manage for all of money. And suppose that your father started any business for you, and not a but you don't handle for this business. So this business is not
Hey guys, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you.